Hi there, I'm Jillian from Jillian K Creates, and today I will be sharing with you various types of swatches using the Arteza Real Brush pens. Starting out with the pen on dry watercolor paper, I then took a wet brush and blended the swatch and used the color left on the brush to create a new lighter swatch of the color. The flexible nylon brush tip makes all of these techniques super effective in providing the watercolor effects with water-based ink through something way cleaner, way easier to travel with, all of the great things about watercolor in just something so simple. The pigment from the Arteza pens were able to perform using a wet-on-wet technique you would use with watercolor, but I found the best way to use the Arteza Real Brush pens is to draw on a palette, plate, or even the bottom of a mug, and then pick up the pigment with a damp brush and use it as you would real watercolor. I unfortunately lost footage of doing all the swatches this way, so I made sure to include a clip of all the swatches, including the names of each pen. The names and links will be in the description of the video, so don't forget to check that out. I hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out my Instagram for more behind the scenes of all of my videos.